Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your ZTE Nubia Air. So first, what you guys want to do is unlock the phone. And first, we're gonna go over into the settings to adjust the brightness. So we need to go over to display. We can see it right here. And here we have the brightness level. We can manually change it up. I feel like this is the best one for me. And what you guys can also do is make sure that automatic brightness is disabled, because it can mess up a lot of things. So you guys can also try and turn it on, see what brightness level it will put you on, then disable it and lower it a bit. Then everything should be okay. After that, what you guys want to do is make sure to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So go over to the Play Store and I'll quickly sign in and show you the installation process. So go to the Play Store, go to search and search for apps and games. Here you want to search for screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. It's right here. You guys can see it. Now make sure to ignore these sponsored apps. This one is also paid, so it's definitely not this app. We are using a free app from Raw Hacks. Now we want to click install and it should install in a second because it's only less than 2 megabytes. Now we're gonna open the app and here we need to grant permissions. So the first one is to modify system settings like brightness, and the other one is accessibility. So here in the accessibility, we want to go over and scroll down until we see downloaded apps. Now go to screen dimmer and click on use screen dimmer. As you guys can see, view and control screen and view and perform actions. So what it basically does, it's checking for overlays like keyboard and stuff to make sure that the brightness is still adjusted. So I'll allow it. Now let's go and grant the notifications. Now click on enable service and here you guys can easily change the brightness. As you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. Once you're done with it and you don't want it anymore, you guys can simply turn it off. And let me quickly change my brightness here. As you guys can see, the last step is to check for software updates. So go over to the settings. Now scroll all the way down until you guys see system and update, and here go to system update. As you guys can see, it will check for updates and my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can fix a lot of things, including the screen flickering. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.